TM Pedane engineers, manufactures and sells solutions for truck and van loading offloading, made in steel and in aluminum, thanks to more than 60 licensed extrusions. TR and TRR sliding manual ramps have a Hawk slide system, allowing top fitting with all surfaces, even the size-loaded ones. Ramps have a side rope fixed to the vertical block. This rope has a double function. During each handling process, it unlocks the ramp and allows its rotation by pulling. This ramp is perfect for usage with box vans, but thanks to its max 6 tons capacity, it can perfectly work also with big trucks. Keyword: easy loading. TR and TRR back connection allows both rotation and size sliding on a rail. This means you can use one ramp with multiple loading points. TR and TRR are TM Pedane historic bestsellers, with a long experience of top performance. No change, no issue.